Hi, for today's video is how to verify WhatsApp number. You must verify your phone number to begin using WhatsApp. So what you want to do is open WhatsApp, then press the terms and policy to read our terms and policy and privacy policy. Then press agree. Then press choose country and WhatsApp will need to verify your phone number. So you need to put your phone number and click next. So you entered the phone number and you will check if that is correct. So the verification is complete. A message is sent to you the number and it's already verified because the SIM is already inserted in the phone, it already automatically go here. So it's already verified. But if you didn't receive the code, you can press resend SMS or call to have the automated system call you with the code. And here, it's already verified. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!